Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to move the DaVinci Resolve project to another computer. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Moving a DaVinci Resolve project to another PC involves a few steps to ensure that all related media and project settings are transferred correctly. Here's how you do it. Method 1. Prepare the project for export. First, open DaVinci Resolve on the original PC. Open the project that you want to transfer. It's a good practice to consolidate all your media to ensure that all files used in the project are in one location. This can be done using the Media Management tool and DaVinci Resolve. Go to the File menu, then choose Media Management. Choose options like Copy, Transcode, and choose the destination folder drive. To do this, hit on Browse or Copy or Transcode section, then choose your folder drive, then hit Select Folder, where all files will be consolidated. These steps helps in ensuring that all media files are included when you move the project. Another method, export the project. If you just want to export the individual project, go to File, then Export Project. Save the DRP file, DaVinci Resolve project file, to a location on your PC, then hit Save. If you want to take all projects within a database, go to File, Project Manager, highlight all the project you want by using the Shift key and right-click. Then go to this icon, then choose a location, then hit on Copy. Save the DRDB file to your desired location. Another method, import the project on the new PC. Install DaVinci Resolve on the new PC if not already installed. Then open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Project Manager. Then restore the database or import the project. If you transferred a database, right-click in the Project Manager, choose Import Project. Locate the DRDB file on your external drive or wherever you saved it. Click on it and click on Open. By following these steps, you can successfully move a DaVinci Resolve project from one PC to another, ensuring that all associated media and edits are preserved. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.